Denver's recent struggles on the road might get you to play on Detroit, but are the Pistons the smart money here? Find out next. Tony T here from Gamblers Television, giving you the betting odds and the breakdowns from the NBA every single day. All right, now it's time for our coverage. It's Denver at Detroit. Detroit, a 7-point home favorite. 7:30 p.m. Eastern Time, NBA pay-per-view to televise. You know, the question in this game is, can the Nuggets stay competitive at Detroit? Because 7 points is a lot to get with this team. You know, the Nuggets have lost 6 of the last 7 games on the road, with 5 coming by double digits. But after losing to Boston, the Pistons sleptwalk against Philadelphia and pretty much are locked into the number 2 seed in the Eastern Conference playoffs. It also looks like Detroit has conceded the number 1 seed to Boston, and their focus and intensity will be inconsistent. Flip Saunders is tinkering a little with his rotation and may be impacting the Pistons' rhythm offensively. Remember, Piston management clearly wanted Flip Saunders to limit the minutes of the starters this season, feeling their team ran out of gas against Cleveland in the playoffs last season. Denver is running out of time here, and they're battling for a playoff spot, and they're going to bring intensity and focus into this game. With little to play for, I cannot back the Pistons laying 7 against a playoff contending team from the Western Conference. Play Denver plus the 7. Be sure to visit and bookmark my TV show page at www.gamblerstelevision.com for continuous point spread coverage from the NBA and March Madness. Gamblers Television, get addicted.